Hi, today I'm for the REALME 9 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and then click Enable in Settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, you will find the switcher. Just tap once on the switcher, click to activate, and then go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search, for example, to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.